This is after my eyelash appointment. Waiting for the bus to meet her.
That's why you wait. Okay.
Hello, loves. It's Gemma Smith on Gemma's Diary. Gemma Smith on Gemma's Diary. And my friend Tati. Hello, Tots.
Hello.
We're going for a dinner. Mother's Day dinner. With my friend Tati. We're late. We're late.
Yeah.
Dinner's on the plate. See ya. That's where we are going. Fish City.
Like, they don't want to say good things in the news.
There's my friend Tati. Hello, Tati.
Hello.
It's been a long time
Yes, it's Christmas.
since Christmas. Oh dear, that was Christmas. We're making up for it.
Yes.
We promised not to keep it long, but we did. Life is tough. Yeah. But at least we make time for you. We're best friends since 2015.
We're like, yeah, 5 years? 5 or 6 years?
7?
Oh my god, 7 years. Yes.
2022 already. Yesterday. Aren't we good people? Aren't we, Tati?
Yes.
The last one were bitches. It was a nice time because of Tati there. Why not, Tati?
Yes.
We're the only ones who like each other.
Yes.
Nobody likes us really.
We don't care.
We didn't care. Yeah, they were just nosy bitches.
Yes.
They were just nosy bitches. But Tatiana, I don't care. We love everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're still friends. We just want to be nosy. We're good. We don't do anybody any harm, don't we? That our kids loved us too.
Yes.
That's the main thing. So yeah, we'll show you our food later. Bye. Food. There you go, Tati. Tati. Fish City. Right, we're done. We're full up. And we're going to the train station. Tati's so uncomfortable. She's not used to being filmed. She's no choice. She's with me. You have no choice, Tati. I got you included in my vlog. Right? I'll show you around on our way to the train station.
You know, I see my face when I was younger and now, like,
See, Tati.
I'll take me more pictures. Come on, Gemma.
Very quiet. There's Tati. Right, so that's dinner with Tatiana over. Oi. Dinner with Tatiana over. We're so stuffed. It's like we're drunk.
Yes.
Tatiana's drunk. Tati's drunk. I'm not. One brumble and we're drunk. Yeah, we didn't go out that long. The last time was December, so making up for it. Aren't we, Tats?
Yes.
So next time would be when is the next time?
When is next time?
Summer? Before summer. Before summer when the weather is a bit better. Yes. That's my Mexican friend dinner today. We don't drink that much. So time to go home after dinner. After a meal. end of it. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, loves. Bye. 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 Bye.